khublei shibun fi baro station pat kijipetip namta ki khubor Laitkam Kiba Laitkam Kumba khat khandai Tylli BAROH kabare HAPOH West Khas Hill NONGSTOIN Office of the District Medical and Health Officer West Khas Hill NONGSTOIN desa page ki post Kiba Lait but Kiba long eligible desa apply lada pikwa ban apply and play kat company advertisement for implementation of urban health and wellness center under the 15th Finance Commission in West Khas Hill District in the office of the undersigned invite application in standard form. Take a day offline apply limba ka standard form from interested and eligible candidate who are citizens of India for filling up the following vacant posts purely on contract basis. Bun baik pada contract mata. Tekane jong doktor dengan matai re bun kila aktif hi rai giba puli doktor medical and health officer MBBS lai tadi post rupo hajar tulab MBBS degree holder te kane place of posting ke depo nong renyau sopian and maulendep UHWC West Khas Hill district kane ka bar staff nurse or lightly arpo hajar tulab te ke de bandep ka BSc nursing or GNM from recognized medical institution must be registered from MEGHALAYA Nursing Council. Kane ka balai ANM katulab de khatnyo hajar sanspa 2 years diploma course in auxiliary nurse and midwife. She must be registered with MEGHALAYA Nursing Council. Te kini apo giba bun bhag balong man apply ka helper comdio South Tylli post khat hajar tulab class 12 pass with diploma certificate in computer application kemudian DCA kaban rubenai tegi la apply namta kane ka helper comdio mo cleaning staff langut katulok kade khandai hajar khnai spa andrutengka kane class 12 lane class 10 pass kilap apply mo badi class 10 kilap apply lane class 12 atho slash kemudian class 10 long eligible class 12 long eligible nong renyau sopian an maulenda penangrai UHWC West Khas Hill BAROH kedi bihag ni kiju igi ronnya sopian bar HAPOH molondap te kagat lai Tylli kane shpojar kane rukum juhi class 10 ane class 12 pass te kila ban apply lemba ka application form kila ban yo na kinu kidukan xerox in IAKI. The application is standard form with biodata along with all qualification kan mau ha man lai keburan kam should read office of the district medical and health officer NONGSTOIN kan mau kan office ale jangan office ka district medical and health officer NONGSTOIN kan dan sha jan nondeng larang bakla te select wat satu on or before 7/4/2025 umba neutrik April arjar sun hadu up to 5 p.m. no application will be accepted after the last date. Tes kan mau you don't give tip batnang te la tit kata ka application ko jong pi ka standard form te sa submit lang bat ki document ru hakapor ba filik submit. The date for written test for staff nurse NM helper comdio cleaning staff and guard will be informed take written kan sa inform adin. Candidate shortlisted written test will be called for personal interview. Okay, the date will be informed terus inform. In case music detail above will be available during office hour. Note ED will pay. Okay to Deputy Commissioner, District Medical and Health Officer, members, Secretary, DHS West Khas Hill District. Te kitu ki bakwa man apply, kamtam kini South Sanriu, te salek ya kebudan kam, but select submit ki application ki jumpi hapo ka office, jong kane ka DMHO West Khas Hill District. Kita kini jumtip khublei shibun.